There are several types of Punjabi paranda, each with its own unique style and design. Some common types include Pulkari paranda, adorned with vibrant Pulkari embroidery featuring floral patterns and motifs. Tilla paranda, embellished with metallic threads and embellishments, giving it a rich and opulent look. Kotapatti paranda, decorated with Kotapatti work, which involves intricate wooden lace work. Teri paranda, featuring elaborate zari work, typically made with metallic threads and intricate designs. Mirror work paranda, embellished with small mirrors, creating reflective and eye-catching effects. In this video, you will be seeing parandas made out of woolen flowers and crochet flowers, which are very new and a unique way to style your hair. Try this type of paranda for the next occasion and be a game changer. These are few examples that can be many more with variations and styles available, each with their unique charm and appeal.